Appreciate you. And I want to give you 16 opportunities of how to make money from the comforts of your home. Starting off with number one, it's called Momentum Solar, Pennsylvania, remote, 100% remote. Call center agent, remote call center agent, $12 an hour. Number two is called Restore You Staffing, customer service, $10 to $15 an hour. Three is called Onyx Marketing, entry level, $18 to $24 an hour. Yeah, so I just want to say real quick, I appreciate you for checking out the channel. And when you come to my channel, you check out my videos, you're going to see everything that has to do with work from home. You might see a couple other videos that I've started with, but my main focus is to bring work from home jobs to you so you can have the opportunity and you have all the tools to get that job. Number four is called Newtown Answering Service, Levittown, Pennsylvania, inbound call center rep. Five is called Customer Service Center. Well, it's Customer Service Supervisor, Philadelphia, remote call center rep, $15 an hour. Six is called the MCS Group Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, customer service, $10 to $15 an hour. 7 is TSI Transworld Systems Incorporated in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I just want you to check out the video that I'm talking to you about. Check it out. Look it over. See any links that you find interesting. And click on the links. And this one I just spoke about in Philadelphia is $13 to $15 an hour. 8 is called DYTRIX, Bluebell, Pennsylvania, customer service rep, $14 an hour. 9 is called Subdirect in Philly, customer service, $11.75 to $12 an hour. Another quarter will make it $12. 10 is called WeCare Technology, Cherry Hill, New Jersey, a remote work at home call center rep, $11.50 to $13 an hour. If you find that interesting, click on the link and start the process. When I mean process, I mean click on the link and see what you have to do in order to get this job. That's in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, and it's a work from home job. 11 is Connect America Medical Alert Company, customer service rep, remote, $14 an hour, and this is in Philadelphia. Is Bala-Cynwyd, Philadelphia. 12 is called Ontrak Incorporated, Pennsylvania, Outbound Sales, $45,000 to $50,000 a year. 13 is Televista, Philly, B2B, business to business accountant, $18 to $19.50 an hour, and they want you to have at least 1 year experience in sales. 14 is called Amcor Care Incorporated, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, a bilingual customer service rep, $11 to $12 an hour. 15 is called Innovo Staffing, Warminster, Pennsylvania, a remote call center rep, $12 to $13 an hour for this position. 16 is called Heroes Jobs in Pennsylvania, customer service, $7.25 an hour. Well, if you find that interesting, and this is a work from home job, you make $7.25 an hour. That's like, is that even minimum wage? But you know what? I felt that I had to just give you the option because every little bit counts. And with the COVID going on right now, $7.25 an hour working from home don't sound too bad right now. So if you find any of these 16 work from home jobs interesting, click on the link, start the process. If you want to learn, if you want more ways of how to make money from the comforts of your home, consider subscribing to the channel. You just consider subscribing to the channel. You don't have to, but consider. And you know what? If you consider and you actually subscribe to the channel, you will get a notification. You will be, part of my family. And if you hit the bell notification, you will automatically get notified when I do future videos. Let's see, I don't want you to miss out on any potential work from home jobs that's going to put money in your pocket, especially with what's going on today. So with that being said, I want to thank you for checking out the video, viewing this video, hanging out with me for a little bit. And I hope that I helped you out in any way by bringing you some awesome jobs, like 16 data entry jobs. It's going to put some money in your pocket today. All right? So stay safe. Thank you so much again. And I want you to know I appreciate you for just hanging out with me for this little bit of time. It makes all the difference in the world to me, for you to know that I appreciate you. So thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next video. All right? Bye-bye. Stay safe and be well.